so it won't get hot. So that is the power of magical water bottle. You don't get age, and if you skip meals in a day, it controls your health.
Just rupees 10, then how would you generate profit out of that? Ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to invite our investors and the presenter today who are going to present and launch their products. Let's invite them with a huge round of applause. Put your hands together, inviting please Mr. Arun and Pawan. Please come on the stage.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Arun Kumar. I am the founder of this water bottle. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to launch this water bottle on this platform. Good evening to everyone. My name is Pawan Kumar. I am the founder of this magical water bottle. So I am going to launch this magical water bottle on our Skill Motive platform. This bottle keeps water cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours, and it it controls temperature like mini thermos. It kills 99% of germs automatically. If you if you drink this water bottle, you you don't get age, and if you skip meals in a day, it controls your health, and it helps people drink more water and stay healthy. And we didn't add kind of any kind of chemicals in this water bottle. We have added many minerals like sodium, calcium, and potassium. We have added many minerals to help people buy our product, and it helps people stay as a healthiest person. So this is my water bottle. Thank
Yes, thank you. Superb.
The magical water bottle is a very smart and makes a cleaning and temperature. This magical water bottle makes self cleaning and controlling temperature, and it is the best to designed to keep water fresh and cleaning. Then this is the perfect to drink water all day. So we can take ordinary bottle, and this is magical water bottle. So that is also ordinary water bottle also, that is also a bottle, and this is also a bottle. There is a difference between that ordinary bottle and this magical water bottle. So I am going to tell about this magical water bottle. So magical water bottle is a it gives a healthy and strong to brighten our face. So we can take ordinary water bottle and it will be a cold, and magical water bottle also it will be a cold. So when we keep under sunrise, it will get hot, so it won't get hot. So that is the power of magical water bottle. In magical water bottle we can find uh, in hot situations, the temperature will be so hot, so on that time we cannot drink hot water, so we can keep in this cold water in many hours. So we can choose this magical water bottle. Ordinary bottle is also bottle, so we cannot keep many hours in that cold water, so it will get very soon, it will get hot. So we can find a magical water bottle is a best example to keep our health and strong. To then we can carry this anywhere, uh, to sports and to travel and to functions, to anywhere we can carry this. And we will, if we carry this, we can find satisfaction when it is too hot. So it will be in this many hour, it will be a cool water. So whenever we get tired, whenever it will be too hot, and whenever we will get tired, so we can easily find when we drink this cool water. So I am going to tell about this cool water. So cool water, it gives a bright and it gives a strength. So we used to buy this magical cool magical water bottle better than ordinary bottle. So thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you to all.
By the way, both of your presentation was absolutely good. What I have observed and it came to my notice that your body language was absolutely good and your presentation was absolutely good. So we have a few questions that I want to know more about.
Yes, sir.
Arun, why should I buy your water bottle? Or why should a customer buy your water bottle?
Because sir, this water bottle we didn't add any chemicals. We have added many minerals like that will help your health and stays calm in many situations, and it will give you energy for whole day. For that sir,
Again, I want to know
Yes.
what is the price of that bottle?
10 rupees per liter sir.
Per liter 10 rupees.
Per liter for 10 rupees sir.
Half liter for
5 rupees.
Why so less? If you are selling this 1 liter bottle for just rupees 10, then how would you generate profit out of that?
Because I want everyone stay healthy in life sir. Because I want to sell my product to everyone, those who need water and people don't have money to. I just made 10 rupees for liter sir, because everyone don't have money to buy uh, uh, buy more fries water sir. So I made I made 10 rupees for this bottle sir.
Okay. Can you please tell me when was this company launched? By now, how many water bottles that you have sold?
Yes sir. Before 1 year we have launched this water bottle.
Hmm.
There are many people have bought this water bottle, and they have given best feedback for this water bottle sir. And there are many small people, from small people and rich people have consumed this water bottle, consumed this water sir. They have given a best feedback and they satisfaction with this water bottle sir.
By now, how many number of water bottles that you have sold in the market?
More than 1 lakh sir.
More than 1
1
lakh
lakh,
in last 1 year.
1 year sir.
It is pan India or just in Karnataka state?
Just Karnataka sir.
In just Karnataka state, you have sold more than 1 lakh
Lakh.
water bottle in last 365 days.
365 days sir.
Fantastic. Superb, superb, superb. Now, my question to Pawan. Pawan, could you please tell me why should I or why should customer buy your magical bottle?
My magical bottle is a very powerful and it gives a lot of health and strength. So in my magical water bottle there is a many kinds of powerful
Minerals you have used.
powerful minerals I have in this bottle. So if we drink this bottle, so we will get a brightness to our face, and we will kill any situation with my magical water bottle. So I used to say in this water bottle there is a strength and health to grow in the country. So I'm going to launch this my magical water bottle.
Okay.
So thank you.
Here, I have got another question to ask you. What is the price of your water bottle?
So my magical water bottle price is 20 rupees. So I'm going to sell my water bottle.
20 rupees for 1 liter or half liter?
So 1 liter for 20 rupees.
1 liter for 20 rupees.
Ah, sir.
Then, of course, half liter for 10 rupees.
Okay.
What do you think, audience? I want to know. What is your feedback? Arun is selling the same water bottle for rupees 10. Pawan is selling the same water bottle for rupees 20. I want to know what is your feedback. Praveen, what would you like to buy as a customer?
So in case if you market in your water bottle, so how water is energetic, but find it in all people. So if you uh,
You don't look at price.
Okay.
You want good quality product. You want
yes sir.
Sir, in case of market, sir, the people are thinking low cost water bottle because sir they have uh, same quality, sir. Sir, people purchase low cost water bottle,
Always customers want to buy
low cost water bottles.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, that's true. Nice. Would you like to buy? Whether when you buy, you see the price or the quality?
I would like to buy Arun's bottle because it is less cheaper than
Power.
Pawan's. I would like to buy bottle Arun bottle because of that is a steel bottle. So I like a steel bottle.
So, presenters, as you have come to know that always in the market, what is chosen is less price. If your water bottle is for low price, it is chosen. If it is for high price, then people always go, customers always go, figuring out the less cost bottles. Thank you so much for your presentation given on the magical water bottle. The presentation was absolutely wonderful. It was fantastic. Thank you so much. So we'll decide how much to be invested for your marketing, your brand, and we'll come to know and we'll give you the feedback. Thank you so much for launching and presenting and being part of this skill motive public speaking platform. And specifically, we conducted this activity not to launch any product and not to sell any product. This activity that we are specifically conducting to develop our communication skills, our presentation skills, our confidence, our public speaking skills, and problem solving skills. When you came upon the stage, you started introducing and presenting your topic. You came to know how to present a particular topic when you actually in real life launch something in the future. And when we asked you question, you came to know that even if without preparation, how to answer the question. So that's sort of a motive behind conducting such activities to help you build and improve yourself in soft skills. Thank you so much.